Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable autoplay videos and chats on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that videos no longer play automatically in your chats, don't worry. Telegram has introduced some new settings, and you just need to tweak a few options to get everything working the way you like. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Now, inside the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you see the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to open more detailed settings. In this section, look for the option labeled In Private Chats. This is where you control how media behaves specifically in your one-on-one conversations. Click on In Private Chats and you'll see different media options. Here, find the Videos setting. To enable autoplay, simply turn this option on. After enabling it, make sure you click Save to apply the changes. And that's